Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a polygel design using the Tobe Glam polygels, what I showed you in my previous video. Them beautiful pastel shades. So I've decided I'm going to do a Care Bear design. I'm going to be using decals, a couple of stickers, a little bit of freehand gel polish, and obviously the Tobe Glam polygels. So let's get cracking, shall we? I'm going to be using my gorgeous Tobe Glam polygel brush. This is just your normal polygel brush with a spatula on one end and the brush on the other. I really like this brush as well. It's a really nice stiffness and a really nice shape to it. So I've decided I'm going to do some pastel tipped nail bed fades. So I'm going to start off by giving the nails. Can't see no nose. Where the hell did nose come from? So we're going to give all the nails a coat of Tobe Glam's base coat. I did already prep the nails off camera, guys, just to save time. But all I did was buff the tip, what's that acting as a natural nail. So this natural tip in the back here. Give that a buff, scratch it up, just get rid of that shiny surface. And then I stuck some half-well stiletto tips on using base coat, which is my preferred method of sticking tips on nowadays. I just find them so much stronger with base coat. Then I snip the ends off. I have showed you in a few videos now how I apply my tips. If you're wondering how I do that with base coat. I shall leave one of those videos at the end of this one if you want to see how I do that. But it's very easy, and yeah, I find my tips stick on a lot better with base coat than what they do with nail glue. I mean, that could be just down to my nail glue being pretty rubbish. What do they say? If it works, stick with it. So that's what I've done. So I'm going to give them a cure in the lamp. Oh, do you know what I've done, guys? I've done this the wrong way around. I'm supposed to do the tip over the nail bed colour. Am I? Yeah, I am. No worries, not a problem. I can fix that. So I'm going to do the nail beds first now on the other three nails. And I'm going to be using cotton candy for that. So I like to start off getting my cuticle all nice and neat first. And then to do this faded bit, I like to get the line nice and straight first. And then with a quite a dry brush, just kind of smudge it into that tip like that. Just like that. and pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Right, so that's all the nail beds applied. So now I'm going to put the colours on the tips. Ignore this one here, guys. I don't quite know what I'm going to do with it yet. Bear with. So on this middle nail, I'm going to be doing the purple tip. So I'm going to use Sugar Rush. So I'm going to get the free edge, the very tip, neat first. And then I'm going to pull this up a nail. Get that line nice and straight. And then I'm just going to, with a very dry brush, just blend that in. And that is it, guys. Look at that fade. That has faded effortlessly. Love that. So I'm going to give that a quick cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. And then on the ring finger, I'm going to be using On Cloud Blue. Honestly, guys, this formula is the nicest formula polygel I've ever used. Like, you watch how often I have to clean my brush because it starts sticking. Very, very rare. So I dipped my brush in the alcohol when I first started this blue, and obviously drained most of it off. The brush doesn't need to be saturated. It's just to stop that polygel from sticking. Right, and I still haven't cleaned it off now. It's starting to get a little bit sticky, but it's still plenty workable, if that's even a word. Right, so got that all nice and neat. And then I'm just going to get that line straight again. And then just fade it in. So I didn't even need to put my brush in the alcohol again, because I like a dry brush when I'm doing this bit. Give that one a cure for 30 seconds. Right, guys, so these are all going to need a file and a buff. But before I do that, I need to clear cap them, or else I'm just going to file that blend away. So I'm going to use the Tobe Glam Pure, which is their clear. I'm just going to build a little bit of an apex in that back third. And this clear is super clear, guys. It's not cloudy, and you know what, it's not sticky either. Like most of the good clear polygels that I've ever tried, they're more virgin on a builder gel. They're that soft and sticky, but this is just as nice consistency as what all the other polygels are. It's really nice. It is definitely, in my opinion, the best clear polygel out there. From what I've tried anyway, and I've tried quite a few clears now. And my shaping has got so much better, guys. If you're struggling with your shaping, then you definitely need to try this polygel, because mine has got so much better since I've been using their polygel. So now I'm going to give these all a file and a buff off camera, and then we're going to come back in and get them decorated. Right guys, they are all filed and buffed. Now they're ready for some design work. So I'm going to be using some decals. So I've popped those all in a little bit of water. I'm going to give the nails a coat of Tobe Glam base coat. Give them a cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. I'm now going to stick this decal onto this nail. Can you see what I'm doing, guys? I don't think you can very well. So I'm going to stick this blue one onto this blue nail. I'm just going to show you me doing a little bit on each nail, guys, because I don't want this video to get too long. Like that. So I just want to put a couple of little heart stickers on here. And this one, I want to do the rainbow here, like this. Now I'm using a yellow gel polish and I'm going to paint some stars. Right guys, so I've painted those stars by hand in the end. They didn't turn out too bad, did they? They turned out alright. Now I'm going to be using the Tobe Glam basic gel polish, which is their white. And I'm just going to do some little clouds on each nail. So to do clouds, I just do 3 dots like that. Or 2, however many you want to do. And then just join them up. Now I'm going to do a couple of 4-prong stars, and then they shall be ready for some top coat, guys. So I'm going to be using the Tobe Glam top coat. So there we are, guys. That is those all finished. What do you think? I think they are so cute. Really cute. That polygel ombre so well together as well. Effortlessly. I love that cotton candy colour as a nail bed colour. They're all really, really pretty colours. And again, like all the other Tobe Glam polygels that I've tried, they're really nice to use. They're not sticky. I'm really impressed with that clear as well. That clear was really nice to use. So let's have a quick look at the swatches again very quickly. So we've got On Cloud Blue, Sugar Rush, Hello Fabulous, Happy Face, Sweet Cravings and Cotton Candy. I can see me using them a lot, especially with spring just around the corner. They're going to be great for spring, aren't they? I can't wait for them to bring some more colours out. I'm hoping they're going to bring some neon colours out, because they would be really smart. So if anyone's interested in heading over and taking a look at the Tobe Glam products, I'm going to leave all the links pinned in my comments along with my discount code GG15. So don't forget to take advantage of that to save yourself some money off. I want to say a massive thank you to Tobe Glam for sending us these to check out. Thank you so much. I'm really enjoying using these products. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.